I'm John Price. I was born and bred in Berry, and that's where I've lived and worked all my life until I got married and we moved to Welshpool. I've been a farmer and a factory worker all my life. We've always walked the cows through the village, always. The locals always loved the cows. The children would very often be lined up, watching the cows going. Well, when I first became ill, I was very short of breath. I went to see my cattle one night and I couldn't hardly get back to the car, and that's how it started. It was a downhill spiral from there on. I battled through it with the help of the doctors and the hospitals. I managed to get back on track a little bit each day. My family helped me a lot, I wouldn't be able to have done it without the family. Walking I've missed. I can't ride my bike anymore because I used to take the cows out on the bike. When Amy visited, it gave me real hope.
So I'm Amy Peter, I'm one of the Mamwlad caseworkers. I cover North Powys and I work for Care and Repair. Initially when I came out we did the Healthy Homes assessment, we went round the house, we looked at various options for rails.
The steps coming down to the property, they're really steep, so we fitted some galvanised rails there, along with this half step and the 2 rails by the door. It's a lot safer for Mr Price.
When I initially came out to see Mr Price, he wasn't going to the small holding in Berry, but the rails have enabled him to be able to get out and go back to the small holding, which is where he's from and where he's comfortable and what he enjoys doing. Being from a sort of rural agricultural background, I think it helps because I can understand the importance of being outside and the need for wanting to be independent and wanting to get out and about.
The work that I do keeps people in the homes for longer. It keeps them out of hospital, plus it gets them out and about in the sunshine. I know Mr Price, he does love his gardening, so he'll be a lot safer coming out into the garden, and then after a hard day's work he can come back in safe and sound.
It's a confidence thing really, more than anything. It's just the fact that you can go and do it, isn't it? You haven't got to ask anybody to come and help you. You can actually go and do it, and that's the difference it's made really. Yeah, it's helped a lot.